Physical fitness isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, energized, and ready to take on life's challenges. Your body is your foundation, and when you care for it, every other area of your life improves. Your physical health impacts your mental clarity, energy levels, and confidence. Being fit sharpens your focus, strengthens your discipline, and equips you to handle stress. The lessons you learn in fitness, perseverance, consistency, resilience, carry over into every aspect of life. Before you start your fitness journey, ask yourself, why do you want to get fit? Is it for confidence, more energy, better health? Knowing your why keeps you going when the workouts get tough. Step 1. Choose the right fitness program. Whether it's strength training, cardio, functional fitness, or sports, pick something you enjoy and can stick with. Next, master the basics of nutrition. Fitness isn't just about the gym. It's also about what you fuel your body with. Focus on whole foods, prioritize protein, stay hydrated, and limit processed foods. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Step 3. Build a sustainable workout routine. Consistency is the key to success. Start with a plan that fits your schedule and stick to it. Adjust intensity as you progress. And remember, the best workout is the one you'll actually do. Don't overlook recovery. Sleep, stretching, and rest days are crucial for allowing your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Listen to your body and avoid pushing through pain or exhaustion. Every fitness journey will have its plateaus. Set small, achievable goals. Track your progress and find a workout buddy to keep you accountable. Mix up your routine to avoid boredom and stay motivated. The benefits of physical fitness go beyond the body. It sharpens the mind, reduces stress, and boosts mood. The discipline you develop in fitness will carry over into your work, relationships, and personal life. Your challenge. For the next 30 days, commit to moving your body for at least 30 minutes a day. Pair it with small improvements in your diet, like drinking more water or eating more protein. Peak physical fitness isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Over time, you'll see the difference in your body, confidence, energy, and overall quality of life. By making fitness a priority, you're investing in yourself, and that's a decision you'll never regret. If you're looking for more insights, grab your copy of A Man's Guide to Mastery. The link is in the description.